Good morning, my dear student. Today we're going to take a new lesson, which is excretion and human urinary system. You have to know that waste material are called excitatory material. Digested food plus oxygen, both are burning process inside the cell, which give energy and waste material. Again, when you eat, the food is digested in the presence of the oxygen. Both are burning process inside the cell, giving the digested food giving energy plus waste material, like carbon dioxide and water vapor. You have to know there is a two type of waste. Number one, solid waste, excretory material. What is the difference between solid waste and excretory material? Solid waste means indigested food. It's mean indigested food stored in large intestine. We took this before in digestive system, that when you eat too much, some of the food is digested and go to the small intestine, and the other part which indigested will go to the large intestine, and then they pass out of the body. What is the excretory material? They are different from the solid waste. They are waste material produced inside the body cell, where the body must get rid of them. So the body must get rid of them. We have two kinds of the excretory material. We have harmless and poisonous. Harmless is not poisonous. It's found inside the body and the body cannot use it. But the poisonous, the body must get rid of it. Because if you keep it inside your body, it will die. You will die if you keep the poisonous material inside your body. What is the excretory material? We have here carbon dioxide, nitrogenous waste, excess salt, and excess water. Of course, you know the carbon dioxide, which is come out of the body. When you breathe oxygen, it's turned to carbon dioxide gas. Nitrogenous waste, it's like urea, uric acid, which is produced from breaking down of protein. So when you eat protein, like chicken, like meat, like fish, these are breaking down and produce urea and uric acid. Of course, you know that the protein is very necessary for growth of your body and repairing the damaged tissue. If you don't eat protein, you have to eat protein because it is very important to your body for growth and for repairing the damaged tissue. The excess salt and excess water, the body gets rid of them through skin, when you are sweating, when you are urine, you have to get rid of it, which is contain excess salt and excess water. How do your body get rid of excretory material? Carbon dioxide, you know, the exhalation process, which is get rid of carbon dioxide gas through the lung. We have nitrogenous waste, which is get rid the urine through the kidney. Then the second part, which is the ureter, and go to the urinary bladder. So you get rid of the kidney, remove the urine through the kidney, remove or filter the blood from the urine out of the body. The excess salt and the excess water, we have the urinary system in the form of urine, and the skin in the second part, or the second organ, which get rid of the excess water and excess salt through the skin, which is the sweat. We have now to know the difference between excretory material and solid waste. We said the excretory material are waste that found inside the body cell and carried by the blood to the special organ to get rid of them. But the solid waste is in indigested food, which are stored in large intestine and body get rid of it. Here is the very important part with the structure of the human urinary system. Here we have two kidney, ureter. This the two narrow tube is called ureter, and urinary bladder and urethra. Urethra is the opening which is great thread of the urine. Again, the two kidney, they are the most important organ of the urinary system. They have bean shape. They take the bean shape and located in the pod of backbone. The function is to filter the blood from urea, uric acid, excess salt, and the other waste material. Again, it's clean the blood. It's clean the blood from the waste. What is the waste inside the blood? Urea, uric acid, excess salt, and other waste material. The ureter, they are the two narrow tube. It's connected to the kidney to the urinary bladder. It's connected the kidney to the urinary bladder. This function is take the urine from the kidney and transfer it to the urinary bladder. It take the urine from the kidney and transfer it to the urinary bladder. What about the urinary bladder? Urinary bladder is a balloon-like sac. It's in the shape. It takes the shape of the balloon sac, which is receive the urine from the two ureter. It's receive. It take the urine from the two ureter, and it store the urine temporarily. Of course, you don't know. Of course, you will not go to the toilet every 1 minute, every half an hour. You have to take a time. That's what the function of the urinary bladder. It stores the urine for a period of time, for a temporary, until it's released outside the body through urethra. This is the opening which is called the urethra. It's the tube which extends from the urinary bladder and open outside the body. Here is the urine. It go outside the urethra, which it's go outside the body, which is the urethra is the tube which extend the urinary bladder and open outside the body. Finally, we have to know how to keep the the excretory system healthy. How to keep the urinary system or excretory system healthy? You have to drink appropriate amount of water. Sometimes we forget to drink water. You have to drink water. 2 liters of water per day. Of course, you have to eat balanced, healthy food that's low in fats and low in salts. Sometimes you eat food contain a lot of salt, which is not good, and it will affect the two kidney. Keep away from irrigation canal. Don't swim in irrigating canal, and avoid urinating in them, because to avoid schistosomus disease, blood urine. Sometimes when you urinate, you find blood in your urine. Why? Why you find blood in your urine? Because you are affected by schistosomus disease. Because you are irrigating, urinate in irrigating canal, or you are swim in irrigating canal. That's why you are affected by schistosomus disease. Don't keep urine in the urinary bladder for long periods. Sometimes you keep urine in your body, which is not good, because it affects the function of kidney. Today we finish our lesson. I hope you understand my lesson today. See you next time. Bye-bye.